Okay, so we're just going to take a breath for a second. So I am Asttarte. This is Charee. And we are coming together to create this amazing, beautiful masterclass called Awakening Consciousness, Healing the Heart. So we're coming together as collective somatic therapy practitioners and breathwork teachers and energy healers, intuitives, channels, and expanding and sharing tantra and divine love and helping people to just really open their hearts. And with our collective wisdom, there's so much to share and to give. And we're just sharing this video. We're just talking and just an organic flow of what we're creating together. And feel free to speak, and we're just going to take turns going back and forth.
Wow, Asttarte, I can feel your heart just through your speaking and your embodiment of your purpose. It's just beautiful. And that's why I'm excited that we get to create this together. I just happened to look down, and you can't make this up, but my daughter has a little deck of oracle cards here, and they're like these little magical unicorn ones. So I decided to shuffle them and see what card that we get. And I got definitely yes. Definitely
Oh,
yes. I don't know if
cool.
you can see it, but it says the
I
answer
can
to
see it.
your question to your answer is yes, that you do want to join Asttarte and I next Sunday from 12 to 3 p.m. And if it's you'll feel the yes in your body. And maybe one of the things that we'll share with you is how you can like tune into that inner wisdom of your embodied space to feel if something is true for you. I know that this is going to be just divinely orchestrated and in flow, and whoever's supposed to be there is going to join us. Um, I was thinking about, we had discussed, we have like all this experience of wisdom and teaching and education, and each of us, I think, individually have over 20 years, but as together, that's like over 40 years. So that's a lot of, that's just a lot of energy and information. And I just, it just brought a smile to my face that the power of the collective and women and community. It's really beautiful.
Hmm, thank you. Yeah, I hear that. Hmm. So beautiful what you share, what you shared. And I love
Mm,
the yes. And yes, the opening of the collective and our combined wisdom. Just so much. There's so much energy in that. There's so much love in that. There's so much depth, so much intention, so
mm,
much intuition, and um, so much love. There's just so much love to share and to give. And us coming together, our passion is just being free in our bodies, in our hearts, in our souls, in our spirits, and helping other people do the same thing. And my passion, one of my main purposes is to help people be happy and to just be
mm,
free in their hearts and their bodies and their minds. And just to like
mm,
be self-expressed, to just be who you are and be fully self-expressed. And the intention of this workshop is like looking at where are we not able to be that way? Where are our hearts blocked that's keeping us from being free, being joyful, being able to feel playful and fun and just feel really good in the body and let go of what's in the way of causing that to make that a reality, to just be free.
mm. I just love how how you're so clear with what your purpose is and who you are and what you're here to share with everyone, and how aligned it is with myself as well. And one of my deepest purposes is to bring people, guide them back home to their self, to their source, to their most authentic space, to who they really are, and doing that through love and through the heart. And I just believe that I know that coming to this um, 3 hour immersion with us is going to initiate, awaken, open, transmute, transform, and also create a community of like-minded. They might be strangers when they first get here, and leave just feeling more in their authentic self. Not only that, but with tools that they can use at home by themselves, with others. Yeah, it's just beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Absolutely.
So if you're seeing this and you would love to join us on Sunday, December, I'm just double checking the date. It's next Sunday,
22nd.
December 22nd, from 12 to 3 p.m. at my home sanctuary. From 12 to 3 p.m. We will, wherever you're seeing this, we'll provide a link somewhere so you can get the information, or you can reach out to myself or Asttarte. We'd love to have you. We'd love to share this intimate yet profound space with you. Um, is there anything that I missed or you would like to share? Add on?
Just, some of the things that we're gonna do is just we're gonna have a circle. People just come in and welcome themselves, just feel welcome and set up space. And we'll do a little meditation. We may do some movement, just kind of get grounded. Um, we may do a sharing circle. And we'll talk about the heart, like what's the importance of having the heart be open and to really feel love for yourself and to be able to feel love for others. We'll talk about we'll go into some tantra. I may go into some tantra and some energy practices. We may do a little breathing there, and Cheree's gonna offer her amazing dancing and some grounding. You are, and
Mm.
we may do a little sound healing, and then we'll do some integration after that. Um, and then just community, people can share what their experience was and what came up for them, and what they got, and any support that they need. That'll be an opportunity for people to share that. And so it's a collection of different things that we're going to be bringing together, and it'll be very intuitive and it'll be very heart based, and um, we'll just feel into it and let people enjoy the experience, and it'll be amazing and magical what we create.
Mm. So we would love for you to bring your beautiful being and your energy to help us co-create this magical space. And if this resonates with you, please join us. We still have enrollment open. You can register. There's a couple of different ways to register. There's through Eventbrite. There's another way to register. We can share all that um, in the links below. This was great. I'm glad that we created this video to help spread awareness. If you're seeing this, maybe you could share this video with someone that you know that would really love to tune into their heart and feel more free and connected to their most authentic self. Healing thy heart, conscious awakening, healing thy heart. I love it.
All right. I think that's all.
Namaste.
Namaste.